We made some banana bread again today because it's still warm, that's why, as you can see. Welcome to our cooking vlog. So today we're going to bake a banana bread. We have a 7 overripe banana here. If you have overripe bananas, don't throw it away. Make it into a banana bread or pancake for breakfast. I already smashed it for you so that we're gonna be so fast in here, and we're gonna use our hand mixer today. Let's start. We're gonna use 2 cups of white sugar. Also, you can use brown sugar if you prefer. And then we're just gonna mix it again. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use also 1 cup of butter. We're gonna use 4 eggs. It's already in. We're gonna mix it again. We're gonna pour our dry ingredients, which 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So we're gonna mix it here. You have to do it in one direction. Alright, add some more ingredients. We are going to add 6 tablespoons of fresh milk. 1, if you don't have fresh milk, you can use whatever you have available. 2, in the same exact amount. 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of fresh milk. And then we're just gonna mix it again. We're gonna put some salt. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's using the 1/2 teaspoon. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and we're gonna use another 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Any kind of vanilla you have available. That's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're just gonna mix out ingredients. Then we're gonna add our 2 cups of chopped walnut, just enough. And then we'll just mix it. Oops. We're gonna use Sun-made raisins. I like raisins in my banana bread. We're gonna use like 2 cups also, the same amount of our walnut. Walnuts is good for you. So this recipe, guys, you are not gonna feel guilty if you're gonna eat this, because this recipe is very much so healthy. Two cups of raisins, sun-dried raisins, or whatever you have available in your pantry, you can use that. Or if you don't have walnut, you can use peanuts. Or if you don't have raisins, that's optional. So this one, guys, it's ready to put in our bread pan. Divide our banana mixtures or our bread into the 4 pans. So we have 4 bread loaf pan here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start now. Because we want it to be not to stick and easy to remove our bread, we're gonna spread a butter in each loaf pan. So after we butter it up, we're gonna pour a tablespoon of flour in each pan. And then you just have to even it out so that way the loaf pan is covered of flour, not just the butter. Because flour, that's help also that our bread is not gonna stick in the loaf pan. Butter is just to hold the flour. So we're just gonna do that. Our loaf pan is covered, and with that we're gonna start. This one I put some parchment paper. So we're gonna start dividing our banana mixtures. Dividing our banana mixtures evenly into our 4 bread pan. And how I evenly distributed it into 4? By doing this. That's 1 in there. So that way, baking, it will cook evenly also. So I'm just gonna continue doing this until we distributed it into a 4. So we're done. So we're just gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 45 minutes to an hour. And also, I preheated my oven into 325 Fahrenheit. So let's go bake this banana loaf. We made some banana bread again today because, oh, it's still warm, that's why. As you can see. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.